almost here in Sheraton.
Irish food, maybe.
That is a pudding, the round one, the sausages. This is the best Irish breakfast. Sure. Bon appetit. Try about Irish pudding.
They have two types. They have the black one and the white one. The white is with meat, of course, but with no blood. But on the black one, it has with blood. So I don't try it. I only try
Why
the
not?
white one. It's so delicious.
Why not? Should we try it?
Later, I think I will try it.
We are in the city of Dublin. It's closed. I think they're putting up something. There will be performance on Sunday perhaps, where they're setting up something in the middle. But it's really very nice circle over here. You can see, it's so beautiful. It's something to check when you are in Dublin. It's beautiful inside. Guys, where are you? Dublin Castle. Dublin. Now we are in a natural park, and we're going to visit the Powers Court waterfall. This is the highest waterfall in Ireland. So look at this. There you go. There you see it, right over there. Yeah, that's the highest waterfall in Ireland.
Nando.
Yup. Sarap. Sarap po dubog.
Max yun eh.
Parang Max. This is the Max version. UK in Philippines. Yeah, it's a must when you go to UK or London. You have to eat in Nando's.
Also in Ireland.
Yeah, but we're in Ireland.
Flavor, may garlic. May herb, something.
Peri-peri. Tapos isa pa.
May super spicy.
African spice.
Super spicy.
Our weekend in Ireland is finished, so we are now going back to Amsterdam. So we are now in the airport, and yeah, it was a very busy weekend, but it was so fun. Ano masasabi niyo sa travel niyo dito sa Ireland?
Ganda.
Dami na puntahan.
Alas nalibot na namin ng buong Ireland.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.